Will cryptocurrency get banned in India? And will I lose all my funds if cryptocurrency is banned in India? You guys have asked me some questions and I have a few answers for you today. Welcome to the channel. My name is Aryan and today I'll be talking about why cryptocurrency will not and cannot be banned in India. Let's get started. I am a firm believer that a country cannot ban cryptocurrency, and in the long run it can only ban itself from cryptocurrency. To make more sense out of the statement, watch this video till the end. For now, what we need to understand is that cryptocurrency runs on the blockchain technology, which revolves around decentralization. Now, in the simplest terms, decentralization means that there is no middleman, like an exchange or a brokerage. So, in contrast, in a centralized world, let's take an example of the bank. Now, the bank is a central financial institution, and if I were to take a loan from the bank, I would go there, I would sign up some papers, they would give me an interest rate, I would pay the loan back in a few months or a few years. But in a decentralized finance world, if I were to take a loan from you, we would mutually agree on a contract, a smart contract, on a rate or a task which would have to be completed in terms of the exchange. And that is how decentralization works. So wherever there is power that is concentrated, for example the bank in this scenario, there needs to be a mechanism to disperse that power, and that mechanism is called decentralization. This learning system was a small glimpse of what DeFi or decentralized finance can do, and trust me, we're just getting started with this. We also have things like the decentralized exchange or DEXs, which could potentially replace brokers and brokerages. And we also have dApps or decentralized applications, which can replace applications being controlled heavily by central authorities. And these are just a few of many applications of the blockchain technology. The possibilities with the blockchain technology are unfathomable. I really want you guys to focus on the irony here. If India really wanted to ban cryptocurrency from its roots, it would not let these big exchanges play their ads on the television in front of millions. So the intention of the government is clear. They just want to get funds from wherever they can. And since they do not have the power to invade the blockchain transactions and squeeze funds from there, they're just gonna let these ads play and tax them heavily for these ads. Let me contradict myself for a moment now. Let's play out the scenario that crypto is about to get banned in India, even though that's very less likely. I'm going to show you this article back from March, and this clearly states that any bill which would intend to ban cryptocurrency would give holders of cryptocurrency up to 6 months to liquidate. To liquidate means to transfer your funds from your exchanges to your bank account. So even if crypto was to get banned, you would not lose your money at all, and you would be given a grace period to remove your funds. But what if you don't want to exit the cryptoverse? What if you still want to be trading? There is a solution for that too. You could be using VPNs, virtual private networks, to change your IP address from India to US or any other country and use the world's largest exchange, Binance. So I would recommend you to make a Binance account if you have made your WazirX account, and WazirX allows you to transfer your funds from there to Binance for literally zero fees. How can you shift your funds from WazirX to Binance? It's simple. Go to your fund section, hit this button which says transfer funds to Binance. On the first prompt, it will ask you to link your Binance account to your WazirX account, and you can transfer your funds, your coins, for literally zero fees. We have also played out the worst case scenario, and I've shown you how you could save your funds and as well as continue to trade even if crypto was banned in India. But I personally believe that cryptocurrency is here to stay, and banning cryptocurrency and the blockchain technology right now would be like banning the internet and the emails in the 90s. Could you imagine what India would look like right now without the internet? Pretty backward, right? Hence the statement that a country can only ban itself from cryptocurrency. All things considered, I think there is risk everywhere, but luck favors the brave. I'll catch you in the next one. Stay tuned for more.
हैरान और उनको तू बोलने दे, बोलेंगे उनको तो करना सिर्फ ये काम, नाकाम दूसरे पे चलने वाले शैतान, अंदर के इंसान को पहचान। मैं आता जब भी माइक पे तो होता यहाँ पे कब्जा, ये जो तूने बोला मैंने बोल चुका कब का, भेजा पहाड़ सा सोचता नहीं हल्का, रैपर्स के धंधे पे डाल दिया पर्दा, घर जा।